What if powerful server monitoring could be at your fingertips in under 2 minutes? Installing Zabbix on Proxmox makes this possible, transforming a rough hardware dashboard into a sophisticated monitoring hub. But how can you achieve this without a maze of technical steps? Let's tackle it logically. First, Proxmox Virtual Environment acts as your hypervisor. Think of it as the foundation where virtual machines live. Zabbix, meanwhile, is your vigilant eye, constantly tracking system performance and health. To bring Zabbix to life on Proxmox, you'll spin up a new virtual machine. Choose an efficient base, like Debian or Ubuntu, for stability and compatibility. Once your VM is ready, update your system packages via the terminal. That means running commands like apt update and apt upgrade for a fresh start. Next comes installing the Zabbix repository. A simple command pulls in the latest installer, tailored to your operating system. Then, you install Zabbix Server, Frontend, and Agent, automating the monitoring process right away. Configure your database, often MySQL or PostgreSQL, ensuring Zabbix has somewhere to store and analyze system data. Here's the exciting part. With web access to your Proxmox virtual machine, you launch Zabbix in your browser using its IP address. The setup wizard guides you through final settings, and within moments, you're greeted with a sleek interface delivering insights about your server's performance. So, installing Zabbix on Proxmox isn't about complicated scripts or hidden commands. It's about harnessing your hardware's full potential with a workflow that puts control firmly in your hands. Imagine a future where server monitoring feels intuitive, customizable, and genuinely empowering, all beginning with a few smart installation steps.